going to talk about how to create an accordion. Here, accordions having different variety. In first look, we'll see the normal and a simple accordion. And the second is the conditional accordion, which is accordion that allows only one tab to open at a time. And the second, first accordion tab opened by default. So we'll look an example. So here we have the different kind of accordions. Overall functionalities are same, just having some conditional. So in our first accordion, here we have a numeric, bit and alphanumeric. So in numeric, while I click on this, it is expanding the container which is having the only numbers, and the second alphabet and the alphanumeric. So once I click on that, it is going close. So overall, we are expanding and collapsing the container, the information here. But here, to make the user clear appearance once it is open, so we have used here numeric alphabet and alphanumeric with the icons. So here we are getting, once it is open, it is turning to the minus icon. So it is visible and it is clear to user, it is expanded and it is collapsed. So we'll move to the next conditional accordion. Once I click on numeric and then if I click on alphabet, so numeric is getting closed, means collapsed, and then same with alphanumeric. So here the same thing is with the icons, which makes user understand this is expanded and this is collapsed. Now I have the third one, which is accordion, which is having by default open one tab. Now once I click on alphabet, that is collapsed and this is expanded. So overall here I have the three variety of accordion, just a simple accordion with icon, without icon, and the second one only one tab open at a time, and the third one, once it is loaded, only one tab will open by default. So let's start, we'll work on it, and it is just collapse and expand. So here I'm going to use pull and push widget. So let's see. So here I'm going to create one page. For creating a simple accordion, we need dynamic panel. So I have drag and drop the box here, and the second container. So now the next we are converting this to the dynamic panel. So here, just click on this, right click, fill with lorem ipsum. Now we'll say this first accordion, and remaining we can remove from here. Now we'll say this header, so here first accordion is ready. So now I'm going to convert this to the dynamic panel, which is important to convert in dynamic panel, so we can add the on click interaction here. So right click on this and create dynamic panel. So we'll name it first accordion, and here we can say container, and this also we are going to convert to the dynamic panel. So we'll say this first accordion header. Now the next will take this and we'll create the second accordion. So before that, I'm going to hide this, and we'll take first accordion and then hidden one, just hold control drag, it will copy. Now this will say second accordion, and this second. Now we'll name it the same way. We'll create third accordion, and we'll say this third. Now here name it third, and you can name this one also third. So our work to create this structure, this is done. Now we'll give interaction here. So let's give the interaction. Select this first accordion, and here we'll have this new interaction. So as I said, there are multiple ways to create accordion, and it is very easy to create, but we need to give the icon, so it will say user, it is expanded, and which is collapsed. So here we'll use plus and minus icon, or you can say like caret up and down arrow you can use. So here I will take the icon which is having plus and then minus. So next we are going to change this icon size. So it is here. Now the same this, and name this state as plus and minus. Now here you can keep the minus icon. The same way we'll have this plus minus here also. So here is minus icon and then plus icon. So same way we'll make it size accordingly. So here we are going to say plus this state and then minus to another state. In minus we'll place the minus icon. Now the next third. So same way and minus. So name this plus and duplicate this state, say minus. So in minus we are going to place the minus icon. Now this structure is also done. Now need to give the interaction. So once I click on this, it is going to expand first accordion container. So select this, or you can have the hotspot above this and they say interaction, new interaction, clip or tap and show height. So we'll say first. So here I have the first accordion, header and container. So select the container one and we are going to expand this. Then so let it be bigger. Okay. So and then this more option where we'll get the none. Here we have to say push widget. So it will push that container from the header. Now, if I click on this, it is going to expand. So it should show the minus icon one, that is the minus state. So we have to add the state panel, and this is the first accordion header going to change in minus. Say okay. Now come to the minus one. So minus one, what it will do, just you copy this interaction and paste in minus. So while clicking on plus, it is going to push the widget, expand it. Now I need to collapse. So for that, select this, say just height. Now you see here it comes pull widgets. So which is going to collapse, and the state panel changing minus to plus. Then say OK and done. So the same interaction I'm going to do in others also. So one more time. Here we'll give the interaction, click or tap, show height. So this is the second. So in second we'll select, so second container, it's going to show, and here while clicking here we are getting this drop down and saying post widget. Now the second, changing the state panel. So select the second accordion header, and here we are going to change the state plus to minus. Say OK. Same, just copy this and come to the state minus. Now paste this, and here instead of show height, and here state panel minus to plus. So the same way we are going to do in a third. So here new interaction, click or tap, show height, the third accordion. So third accordion container. So we need more option, push widget, say OK, and here one more state panel, third accordion header, going to change in minus. Say OK. Now copy this and come to the minus one. So here in minus one we can paste this, and instead of show height and state panel minus to plus. Now we will preview. So here first accordion plus minus. So here expanding, collapsing, expanding, collapsing. Now this is working fine. So it is very easy to create. So first condition or a first variety is done. So we'll move to the next variety, which is only one can expand at a time. So creating the next, so almost we'll use the same thing. We are just copying this and pasting here. Now, so we have a condition like first, once I click on a first accordion, so only first will expand and another two will be collapsed. Either if I click on a second accordion, it will expand and the another two, first and third accordion, will collapse. So for that we need to just add the condition here. So once it is clicked, what will happen to others? So here it's easy, just need to add some show and height. Show and height second. So here we have the second accordion container which will hide, and once I click on hide, it should say pull widgets. The same way will add third accordion. So here third accordion container, will select this, hide, and the same pull widget. Now say OK, and here we are not giving any interaction. So this is the plus which we have given show and hide. Now once this is highlighted, means this is expanded, the first one and second two are closed, so their state should be also changed. Now we'll add here first. So here first is already selected, so second accordion header and the third accordion header, so both will be in plus state. Now say OK. Next we are going to do in second accordion. So in second accordion, so once it is a plus, means it is going to the minus state, and here we are showing the second container. Same way, so hide third, container, and then we need first one. So first container. So in both scenario, it will be hide pull widget, and here also hide, and here pull widget. Now the state one. So here this is the second, it is converted to the minus state. Now we'll select the third and the first, both in a plus state. Say OK. Now we are going to move in third accordion. So same interaction here also we need to add. Here we'll say so hide first. So first accordion container and then second accordion container. So both will be hide and pull widget. So here also hide, and we'll select the pull widget. Next state panel, if it is in minus, another 1 should be in plus. So first accordion header and the second accordion header, both are in plus state. Now say OK, and now we are going to preview it. So here this, once I click on this is getting to plus and this is getting to minus. Oh, this is working fine, and it is really easy to add those conditions. So let's overview, just see what we have done. So in a previous one, just we have given here the condition, no condition, just a on click or tap. So first accordion container, and change state panel of this header to the minus. Now in here just we have added the condition, not condition again, just click or tap actions. So actions, what we have added here, it will show and hide first accordion container, and the remaining will be hidden. So this pull will, what exactly pull and push is doing. So here we have header and below that container. So once I click on this, it is taking away the remaining two. means it is pushing those two, and it is pulling the first container to show the appropriate result. So here we have added just these two state, which is like height, the second accordion and the third accordion, including pull widget. And here the state panel, which is going to switch or a change for the another. If it is in minus state, the other two will be a plus state. So let's move to the next one, which is first tab by default open once you go to that page or load that page. So we'll create the next page and we'll take this, just copy and have it here. Now this what we'll be doing. So first we'll preview. So clicking on this, it is expanding and another is expanding and like this. Okay, so now we have to add the onload. So here just click outside. Okay, now come to interaction, new interaction, and here you will get page loaded. So page loaded, whenever we are going to load a page or it is loading, so in that moment the first tab will be open. So here select page loaded and the same, so height. So now so height the first container. So here we'll say so height first container, it will push widget, and what will be the next, so it will be open. Okay, we'll go step by step. Now we'll preview, so it will be easy to understand. Now see, this is open and this is in a plus, so we have to make it this in a minus state, right? So we'll add here state panel, which is the header, first accordion header plus to minus. Now we'll see. So now it is minus and this is loaded. So once I click on second, the same functionality is working fine. So this is easy, and if you want to give the animation, you can add it here. So overall, from three of the example, I didn't use the animation, so you can use it. So here it is going to expand, which once it is showing, so you can say animate. Here we have the different kind of animation, so we can use slide down, slide up while clicking. So we'll see. So animation in this condition, it is little flickering, right? So in this condition, we'll remove the animation, we'll use in another one, because here we have the condition which is on page load. So we'll move to the first one here. So height, animation down, and here we are giving this to slab. So the next we can say linear effect. Suppose here we'll get this none in animate, and after that none, select this, say linear. Okay. In the same way, and plus also select this, and how it will animate, linear. Say okay, and here. Oh, here we didn't give, so here it is. So like that we can add animation there. So what all accordion, so we have created the accordion, and this also we saw that allows only one tab to open at a time, and first accordion tab open by default. So please write your comment, how is the lesson and how is the interactive component. See you in next lesson with the new interactive component. Thanks. Bye.